Hello, credit repair business owners, and welcome to this video. If you're watching this video, that means that you just booked a call. And in this video, I'm just going to explain to you our two secret tools that we use to add an extra $40,000 a month in revenue for our credit repair clients in 4 to 6 month period. And this is the average of 150 clients that we served. And we do all of this without wasting time and money on leads that are broke, impossible to get a hold of. So what we'll cover first our gatekeeper model. This is how we attract highly qualified leads while restricting unqualified buyers from seeing your ads. Our gatekeeper model ensures that you only connect with potential clients who are genuinely interested in your service and can actually afford your services now, not 6 months later. And also using this method, you will be able to charge much more than the average, like $99 or $199 a month. Our clients on average charge $400 for the first month, and then $200 to $300 a month every month after that for a period of 4 to 6 months. Step 2 is how you never call your leads. No follow-up, nothing. Say goodbye to wasting time and effort on following up with leads. With our system, you'll have buyers who are eagerly waiting for you to answer their calls. Imagine the convenience of having clients lining up ready to work with you, and I will cover that just in a second. So we've helped over 150 credit repair clients in the past 3 years with the same system. This is some of the results that we've generated already. This is another client that made $42,000 in the first 30 days. This is like an anomaly. And this is a testimonial from our client, Brian. He's been working with us for over a year now. He's doing around $70,000 a month. This is a screenshot from like a client who generated like 86 leads for like $2.8 each. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. You're probably saying that, look, I've already tried ads, or I've already tried getting leads so many times before. What makes you different? I'll explain to you what makes us different right now. So here is what beginners and most marketing agencies do. They launch your ad and you get leads, and then the game starts. You start chasing like this, calling all the leads. They don't pick up. Even if they don't pick it, they're like, who are you again? No, I didn't sign up for your services. No, I didn't give you my info. I'm not even interested in credit repair. What the hell are you talking about? So this is how you fail with running ads and getting leads. Let me show you our system. So before we even launch your ads, we make sure to use the gatekeeper method, which we put criteria inside the Facebook targeting individuals who earn $60,000 a year plus, people who are recently declined from mortgage, or renters who are trying to buy a home in the next few months. And using this criteria plus 3 other sets of targeting that we used that I'm not going to disclose in this video because a lot of people will be watching it. But we use all of these methods to make sure that when you talk with people on the phone, they're qualified. They can pay you $400 for that first month or more. And they want your service right now, not in the next 6 months or a year or whatever. Then once we put these criteria, then we put your ad, then you get the lead, then our team calls all your leads, qualifies even more just to make sure that our gatekeeper method is working 100%, that they have the money and they want your service, and then we transfer them to you. So you just pick up the phone, and our sales rep will be like, hey, I just have Sally here. She wants your service. She has a 600 credit score or 500 credit score, and she's trying to buy a home in the next few months. So she needs your service. And then you just pick up the phone, and then we connect you together, and then you sell. So you go from chasing leads to getting calls like this and just picking up the phone and talking with your leads. So this is pretty much the system in a nutshell. Make sure to show up on your call because we're going to explain to you even more with the details and how it works, and also show you the 4 months to 40K a month plan step by step in exact details. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the call.